Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and figured today do a little bit of show and tell. So I'm at work, good day, great day today, getting some things done, no problem. And lo and behold, I see somebody pulling in front of my garage doors. I thought, who's this guy pulling in front of my garage doors? Who's the guy? And anyways, I thought, whatever, they'll move and whatnot. And I hear some boots shuffling in the shop, and I thought, oh, it's my old buddy Ron. So get this, I met this guy a while back, and we're in the TSC parking lot in my hometown here, and I have a 85 Mercury Capri, and he come over to check out my car. So we get talking, and he's telling me, yep, I got one too in my garage, but it has like zero, hardly any miles on it, just like new looking. I thought, man, I got to check this thing out, maybe coming up this summer. So anyways, we get talking, and he says, hey, do you like model car kits? You interested in model car kits? And I thought, am I ever? Absolutely. And he says, hey, maybe one day, he knew I worked up at the dealership, and he says, maybe one day I'll stop up and I'll bring some over. And I thought, cool, whatever. I'd love to check them out. Time goes by, I haven't seen the guy or nothing. Like, someone out of the blue shows up and bringing me some kits. And this is the second time he's come up. No, I'm sorry, this is the third time he's been up. And so I purchased them from him, and he's an old Ford guy, so everything he has is just a Ford kit of whatever, and I never know what he has. And last time I talked to him, I said, yeah, I'm trying to find some old Ford truck models and whatever and stuff like that, and I don't know what he has. And so today he showed up and brought me a box of goodies, and I tell you what, guys, this is the coolest thing. This is the coolest thing. When he brings them, I have no idea what he's bringing. Not a clue. So for me, opening the box for the first time, thinking, wow, man, you got some cool stuff in here, man. I mean, just how cool is that? So it's a big surprise for me. It's cool to see him showing up, but on the other hand, to see what he brought. And he's like, you interested in these? I thought, dude, I'm interested in whatever you bring me, man. I don't care. I mean, I like these old model kits. They're just cool. And like I say, he's getting up there in age, and he wants to get rid of a few of them and all that stuff. And I thought, hey, I'm more than happy to take them off your hands. And so anyways, he brought me a few kits, and I'd like to show you guys what we got, and all that kind of good stuff. So let me spin this around and take a look. Okay, guys, so also today in the mail, it's like a double hit day today for me. I got my mail order in from Hobby Nut Models. Ordered some paint. So we got some MCW, and one more. And this color here, super cool. I've been trying to get this forever. Viking blue. They always seem to be out of it. And this is that color like they put on the AC Cobras. So there's this large scale Cobra I'd like to buy, and it's a 1/16 scale, but I'm thinking, I'm probably gonna need 2 of these for that. So that's a pretty big kit, but my gosh, this looks just amazing in that. I have a 71 Mach 1 Mustang, and you guys remember the old movie, the old Gone in 60 Seconds? Not the new one, the older one with Eleanor. They had that 71 Mach 1 in there, that yellow color. Mark didn't have the color I really wanted. That color on that car was medium yellow metallic, or I'm sorry, it's like a medium yellow gold metallic or something like that. And he didn't have it, and I thought, man, I hate to just get one bottle from MCW itself, which they did have. This color is very similar to that. This looked to me more of a GM color, which is whatever, it don't matter to me. So I might try this on it. I'm not sure yet. Opening the bottle almost looks more gold, but I have not shaken it completely, so we'll see, because it's kind of a mustard yellow color anyways. I'd like to do that. Thought very cool. And of course, you can't forget the old Ford Highland Green Metallic. Absolutely. And no, I don't have any bullet cars here or anything, but I do have a couple older Mustang models that I think I'd like to spray in that color, because I just thought that was such a cool color. So on with the kits that was purchased today. So I was really unexpected to find this one. And I thought, still, it's a cool kit. I'll build it. mean, you guys remember that? Like, wow, that is a 1996. Unbelievable. Yo, Explorer. Remember when these things were just the thing? These were like the car back in the day. Yes, sir. 1995 is the model kit on this. So, I can't tell. Yep, it's got the old 4.0 in it. Oh, yeah. 160 horsepowers, 4.0 liters of madness. Yeah. I wish there wasn't a bad motor on that car. Especially the push rod one. Those things lasted forever. So that was the first one in the kit. I thought, yeah, I'll take that. Cool little model. The next one that was in there, I have this kit. I built this a while back. It's actually sitting on my shelf. The 94 Lightning. So this is first gen Lightning. Very cool. Like I said, I love these old body style Ford truck kits. These AMT kits were pretty cool, especially these later ones. I don't know what year this one would be, like the release date in the box. So anyways, this was in the pile here. Oh, here we go, 94. Same year as the truck. Perfect. Yeah, pretty cool kit. Love it. So this next one's kind of a cool, old school, very old school. I have never seen this kit. The High Stepper 53 Ford. Yeah, I don't see a date on this. I'm assuming for what I've always seen before, it's probably mid-70s, if not earlier, because we're still built in Troy, Michigan. And there's no date on it. So I looked through the box. This was one of the kits that are open. So we got our very cool old school instructions. The kit's all bagged. It gives you two versions. So we got multiple tires. It comes with a Hemi engine. I was looking on the box for the custom. Check out those antique decals. Those probably will not get used. Just saying. Oh yeah, Yellow City. No date on anything. But anyways, I might build this one as a stock truck because I've been kind of looking for one of these. I had that, I think it was a 53, the flip nose. I can't remember if Monogram made that or maybe it was AMT. It was the one that had the flip nose and it was the all black with the bluish colored decals. I'd kind of like to find one of those. But very cool kit. I thought that was cool to see this in the box. Like, no kidding. But like I say, I do like that stock version. I think that's sweet. I may be building this one on that. But like I say, it comes with a Hemi engine. I thought that's pretty cool. So it's got two engines in it. Got a welding outfit and the tools and jack. Very cool kit. So these next two, I was shocked to see. Yes, sir. Everybody's got one of these bad boys. I actually had one of these trucks, almost identical to this back in the day. Mine was an 88. It was charcoal. It was a super cab just like this, 351. Yeah, so that was a pretty neat truck. I mean, the thing seemed pretty bulletproof. Went through anything. And this is a 91 release. Oh, she got the 460 in it. Ooh, hungry. She's an animal. But yeah, that was a cool kit. So this guy was there, and lo and behold, there was another one in the box. But this is the dually. And I don't ever remember seeing the dually kit. Obviously, they made it. I just don't remember this kit. I don't remember the dually. So we got the 250 and the 350 dually, which obviously is the same model kit. But I thought that was really cool. How the heck, yeah, that is sweet. Like I say, these guys are all in cellophane yet. Got the old school roll bar with the KCs on it. You betcha. That is awesome. Very cool, very cool. So the last one that was in the box, which I thought was really cool. I do not ever remember seeing this kit ever. Let me see the date on it. And I was super shocked to see it. And this one is opened and everything is in the box. This is a 1990 kit. So check this out. Check this out. Yeah, look at that bad boy. Bronco with the old Yamaha speedboat and trailer. How cool is that? New Formula boat. It's got some custom engine in it. Not even sure what that's all about. Just super cool. Spin this around here. So yeah, very, very cool. And like I say, this kit was already opened, so I, of course, had to take a peek in there and see what we got inside. Check out this. I mean, how cool is that? The glass, everything looks really nice in it. We got our boat package here in the trailer. Very nice. We got tons of wheels inside here. These are the solid wheels, the old Goodyears. Radial GTs. So it's got some nice raised letter detail, so it'll be easy to paint those. And check out this awesome looking cab. That is sweet looking. Sunroof. Even got some flares on the fenders. Sweet. That is a cool kit. Been actually looking for a Bronco kit, like one of these older ones. I see Round 2, I think, re-released one of these. I think it was the mid-80s Bronco. I'm not sure. I saw in one of their announcements that they re-released it, so kind of like to find that as well. Just super cool kit. I was very, very happy to see this, and I thought, no kidding. So I was looking at the decal sheet, and I thought, that is awesome. They're like just immaculate, especially being down, facing down in that cardboard. Check them babies out. Very cool. Not even, I mean, they're not even yellowed or anything. They look like a brand new decal sheet. So this tells me it was a late 80s, early 90s, because of Unical 76. That's, I think 87 they changed from Union 76 to Unical. My dad worked for Union 76 for years. Actually retired out of there. He worked back when it was still pure oil in Marlette. And so I remember the year when they changed that over. I was kind of sad to see Union go away because I thought how cool of a logo that was. Anyways, yeah, very cool. I think my wife is, I think she deemed this kit, this one's going to be hers on when she's done with her little SVO Mustang. So I think she is going to do this one, which is cool. I'm good with that because I'll definitely help her on this one because yeah, this is just a cool kit. I think the free catalog still stands. I say probably not. Anyways, so yeah. So that's what I got today, guys. I thought that was pretty cool. And like I say, I thought I'd do a little show and tell with you today and go from there. Because this kit here I thought was really cool. Get the box back in. There we go. So cool, guys. So that's it for today. And once again, I appreciate you guys watching, tuning in. Hey, if you haven't yet, subscribe. And, you know, give me a like, hit that bell icon, and, you know, give me some comments out there, guys. Always trying to answer back and all that stuff. So, you'll hear from me eventually, sometime or another. So other than that, you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time around.